It's great to be back with you guys on Trauma Talks. I'm Krystal Boothe, and I want to talk about how not every story ends there, like I talked about in video number 3. Okay, between the wounded protector and the outright exploiter lies a wide middle ground where most people live and still have the capacity to change and to shift out of the narcissism. So let's talk about that today. So welcome to Trauma Talks. Talk about the gray zone of narcissism, okay? Between the wounded achiever and the hardened manipulator, there lies that wide middle ground, the gray zone where most people actually live, you guys, okay? So welcome, welcome, welcome. This is where the narcissist traits appear under pressure, okay? So when pressure happens, this is when you'll see these traits. But most don't. They don't define this identity. We might become defensive when corrected, crave admiration, a bit too much, or struggle to apologize, okay? And this can be a lot of people, okay? So yet we still reflect, we take responsibility, and we grow, okay? So that's the gray area. This is what psychologists call functional or situational narcissism, okay? The ego patterns that flare when the nervous system feels unsafe, typically, but soften when truth and humility enter the room, okay? So isn't that great news, you guys, okay? So self-awareness for this person is the difference, okay? A functional narcissist can pause and say, that was my ego talking, okay? and then repair the relationship instead of defending the illusion of perfection. Okay, so this person can kind of back it up a little bit there. Okay, so many leaders, creators, you guys, and visionaries carry this energy. Unfortunately, it's very prevalent, and it drives their courage and initiative until fear distorts it into control. Okay, and integrates really well. This energy does. It looks like confidence actually, and it's anchored in empathy, okay? Anchored in empathy, that's how it looks. Conviction is rooted in humility, though, okay? So for faith-based professionals, this balance matters deeply, okay? We're called to lead boldly and love gently, okay? This is a very high calling here. To let ambition serve purpose and not replace it, okay? So healthy narcissism looks like holy confidence, okay? Yeah. Isn't that horrible? The ability to stand firm in vision without crushing others to prove your worth, okay? So healthy confidence. I wouldn't call it narcissism, honestly. This is what they say. It's strength that stays surrendered. That's what the strength, okay? It influences that still bow to love, okay? So that's the difference in this person is. They're able to bow. They're able to let that down, let that vulnerability down, okay? So that you really understand why they behave the way that they do. It's triggered, okay? We have to go deeper past the surface traits and into the hidden beliefs, though, so that we really can get into the drive of narcissism. And that's what we're going to get into in the next video. So here, okay, we're going to go into the narcissist, okay?